वैयासिक
किमन्यधीर्ब्रह्मणि स्यात्
धीर्ब्रह्मणि स्यात्
किमन्यधीर्ब्रह्मणि स्यात् अन्यस्मिन् ब्रह्मधीरुत अन्यदृष्ट्योपासनीयम् ब्रह्मात्रफलदत्वतः उत्कर्षेति परत्वाभ्याम् ब्रह्मदृष्ट्यान्यचिन्तनम् अन्योपास्याफलं दत्ते ब्रह्मातिथ्याद्युपास्यत्
किम अन्यधि ब्रह्मणि किम ब्रह्मणि अन्यधि स्यात् किम ब्रह्मणि अन्यधि स्यात् उत अन्यस्मिन् ब्रह्मधि उत अन्यस्मिन् ब्रह्मधि अत्र फलदत्वतः अन्यदृष्ट्या ब्रह्म उपासनीय अन्यदृष्ट्या ब्रह्म उपासनीय किम इज इट डाउट ब्रह्मणि इन ब्रह्म अन्यधि स्यात् अन्यधि मीन्स आदित्यादि दृष्टि is it in Brahma Aditya Drishti is to be done in the sense should we look upon Brahma as Aditya, there is one possibility, or Uta or Anyasmin Brahmadi Anyasmin Adityadishu Brahma Drishti, whether Brahmani Adityadi Drishti or Adityadishu Brahma Drishti means looking upon Aditya etc. as Brahma. This is the doubt. Purapaksha says Atra means with respect to this such upasana, Atra Phaladatvataha. Now tell me, Aditya gives phala or Brahma gives phala? Brahma gives phala. So therefore, Brahma is to be meditated upon as what? Aditya. So therefore says Phaladatvataha. In such upasana, Brahma gives the phala, and therefore Atra Anyadrishtya. Anyadrishtya means Adityadi Drishtya. By vision of Adityadi, Brahma upasaniyam. Brahma should be meditated upon. Means Brahma is Aditya, so you have to meditate upon. This is Purapaksha. Why? Brahma gives the result. ये तो गुस्सा करेगा, आदित्य का उपासना क्या, जाओ उसके पास जाओ, चलो whatever fala he gives, he will give. You can't say he has to come to me for sanction. I am the karma adhyaksha. Karma pradata is me. He can't give at all. Some powers are there, but subject to my confirmation. सिद्धांत उत्कर्षे, not उत्कर्षे, उत्कर्ष इति परात्वाभ्याम. Two reasons are given. One is utkarsha. See, always you should look upon a lower thing as a higher thing. Utkarsha means there must be exaltedness. In upasana, there must be exaltedness in the upasya. Upasya has to be elevated to a higher level and not degrade the upasya. Utkarshe. Again, iti paratvabhyam. Iti bodhakatvabhyam. See, Adityo Brahma iti upasita. That iti so. So means what? It shows Aditya is prominent and look upon that Aditya as what? Brahma. That iti word is very important as well. It is not said. Say, Brahma Aditya iti upasita is not told. Meditate on Brahma as Aditya is not told. Meditate on Aditya as Brahma. Iti paratvabhyam. Two reasons. But Utkarsha is one reason, and that means, so iti paratva. So Brahma iti, that shows that drishti of Brahma is made on Aditya. Brahma drishtya as Brahma, anya chintanam, adityadi chintanam. Brahma drishtya, adityadi chintanam, aditya etc. is to be seen. Adityadi chintanam. Now, then Brahma will not give upasana. You have done upasana of Aditya, not me. No, sir. Whosoever upasana may be there, finally phala is given by who? Brahma only. For which illustration is given. See, अतिथ्यादि उपास्तेवत. अतिथि आदि उपास्तेवत ब्रह्म अन्योपास्त्या फलम दत्ति. See, Atithi, a guest is honored. Atithir vai Vishnu. He is not a guest. Who is he? Vishnu. Who gives phala? Parameshwara. Atithi doesn't give. Atithi doesn't give. The guest doesn't give the phala. Phala is given by who? Parameshwara. So that's what Atithi. Atithya adi upaseva, like serving a guest, etc., taking care of a guest, etc. Like that is what the upasana of Aditya, which is not Brahma, result is given by who? Brahma. Anyopastya means by upasana of Aditya adi, Brahma phalam datte. Brahma gives the phala also. See, a guest is honored. Atithir vai Vishnu. He is not a guest. Who is he? Vishnu. Who gives phala? Parameshwara. Atithi doesn't give. Atithi doesn't give. The guest doesn't give the phala. Phala is given by who? Parameshwara. So that's what Atithi. Atithya adi upaseva, like serving a guest, etc., taking care of a guest, etc. Upasana of Aditya, which is not Brahma, result is given by who? Brahma. Anyopastya means by upasana of Aditya adi, Brahma phalam datte. Brahma gives the phala also. Sutra. Brahma drishti utkarsha. Pratike eva Brahma drishti kartavya. It's like this. Brahma drishti means Pratike eva Brahma drishti kartavya. So Brahma drishti should be done where? In Pratika only. Pratike eva Brahma drishti. How come kutaha? Utkarsha. Because of superiority, eminence, exaltedness of Brahma. Why? Say, if in a lower thing, if you superimpose a higher principle, the lower thing gets elevated. Just as you look upon a minister as the king or a sarathi as the king and not king as minister or sarathi, you lose your teeth, not teeth. Neck also may go. Your neck also may go. So that is that. But on the contrary, if you look upon the minister or the Sarathi and the thing, even Sarathi will take you to, you want to meet king? Come, I will take you.
Yes.
I will take you. Arey Baba, he's chubby with me. Don't worry. I will take you. Minister can take you, minister can do a favor with the consultation with the king, but you can't approach the king directly as well. So like that. So chaprasi as minister and not minister as chaprasi. So that this is the rule, Laukika rule. So that way it should be utkarsha. So that